Namaste. Khushbu, myself JV'n Dr. Khushbu Verma, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the cell theory and in this session we will discuss about the specific model which is fluid mosaic model. This session is related to cell biology theory of program B.Tech.FBT third trimester, BSc FN&D third trimester and B.Tech M.Tech FBT third trimester. First of all, we will discuss about the basic introduction about the fluid mosaic model. In 1972, S.J. Singer and G. Nicholson proposed that the membrane is a quasi-fluid structure in which mosaic of proteins dispersed within the lipid bilayer. It describes both the mosaic arrangements of proteins embedded throughout the lipid bilayer as well as the fluid movement of the lipid and protein alike. If we talk about the key points of fluid mosaic model, so the main fabric of the membrane is composed of amphiphilic or dual-loving phospholipid molecules. What the meaning of amphiphilic? It means amphiphilic molecules will have dual nature. They will be hydrophobic as well as they will be hydrophilic in nature, means they will hate the water and they will love the water. The next key point is integral proteins. The second major component of the plasma membranes are integrated completely into the membrane structure with their hydrophobic membrane spanning regions interacting with the hydrophobic regions of phospholipid bilayer. Next key point is carbohydrates. The third major component of the plasma membrane are always found on the exterior surface of the cell where they bound either to the proteins forming glycoproteins or to the lipids forming glycolipids. There are some terms which have been used in fluid mosaic model. First is amphiphilic molecules. It means having one surface consisting of hydrophilic amino acids and the opposite surface consisting hydrophobic ones. About the hydrophilic, it's having an affinity for water, able to absorb or be wetted by water. It means water loving. If we talk about the hydrophobic, it means lacking an affinity for water, unable to absorb or to be wetted by water, water fearing. If we talk about the proteins, we can say that there are two types of proteins in this model has been suggested. One is integrated protein, which will submerge into the lipid bilayer, and second is transmembrane proteins, or you can say peripheral proteins. Peripheral proteins means they will not submerge into the lipid bilayer. They will be just on the surface of the lipid bilayer molecules outside of the cell and inside of the cell. So peripheral proteins only cover the lipid bilayer molecules, and transmembrane proteins or integral proteins will submerge into the lipid bilayer and they will help in the transportation of molecule across the cell membrane. So this is the sum up of this session, and this session is powered by digital version 2.0 JAYOTI VIDYAPEETH Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.